What's going on, everybody? Just a real quick thing here. I do have a surprise. Pick it up off the ground because I failed. Just dropped it again. Almost dropped it again. Okay, so right here in front of me, let me get this for you guys. I want to cover up my address. I have a couple boxes. As you can see, they're quite big. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox these for you guys, and you'll get to see what surprises I ordered. Alright. Alright. First off, the envelope. I'm just going to kind of So we got a new flange for the exhaust, and of course a new gasket. Had to go with Vibrant. So that is that. That's just one small thing. If I got flanges, you can probably guess what these are. Okay. Oh, that just gave it away. That totally just gave it away. I should have been cutting away from myself. But, ooh. Ooh. We got what, 2 straights that are like 4 foot. Ooh, those are kind of oily. Oh well. 2 45s. Yeah, those are really oily. Okay. Okay. Well then. Oh, there's more? I just, what the fuck is that? Oh, that's okay. So, yep, 90. And probably another 90 in there. Okay. So that's that. There's a lot more in here than I thought. Okay. So we're just going to put this all back. Go set it aside. So in case you guys haven't quite gotten this, this is the pieces for my new exhaust. I'm building it myself. Luckily, I do this for a living, so it shouldn't be too terribly too hard. However, I still have yet to get permission from my boss to use the shop on a weekend, and you can bet money I'm going to be making a video building the whole exhaust, you know, taking the old off and welding in the flanges, doing mock-up and everything like that. I'll walk you guys through kind of how this is going to be done. I've never built an exhaust before, however, I have built several things at work, so it shouldn't be, I'm not thinking it's going to be terribly too hard. For me, I think it'll just be a learning curve because I've never built an exhaust before, but I think once we kind of get going with it, it's going to be pretty simple. I don't have a lift, so probably the best thing I'm going to have access to is probably a jack and some jack stands, if I'm lucky. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and move this second box. into frame here, and I'll get this big first one kind of pushed out and moved, and we'll open the second one with a Chick-fil-A napkin covering my address. Cut away from yourself. No, really, cut away from yourself. I don't know why I just did that. But, oh well. Okay, so it looks like this is going to be our 280 degree bends. Oh man. Oh. I have to go wash my hands. These are so oily. Oh well. At least I got them. At least I got them. So, that being said, this has been an unboxing of what is yet to come. Video coming soon. So today, as I look at my fake watch, I'm recording this on the 9th, a little after 7 o'clock p.m. Central Time. Probably not going to be building the exhaust per se until end of March. I think. I'll have to ask my boss and see if it's alright if I get a shop key and come in on a weekend to build it. I don't know how well that's gonna go. I mean, I have been there like 3 years now, so almost 3 years, so I'm kind of hoping he just kind of hands the key to the shop to a 22-year-old, but you know, we'll have to see how that goes. God, that fart stinks. Oh. Alright, well, before I go shit myself, oh, that's ripe. The sad part is that's probably gonna make it in post. But yeah, before I go crap myself, thank you guys for joining me for this unboxing. I'm excited to cut all these tubes up and weld them into one piece for an exhaust. The only thing I haven't figured out yet is how to redo the hangers, but I'm sure I can just wing it. I'll find some stainless rod at work and just kind of set it aside, and you can go from there. But yeah, all of this, it's all stainless, so we don't have to worry about rust or anything. And probably when we go to put the exhaust together, I'll take all these boxes with me to the shop, and I'll get them degreased and everything there, so I don't have to worry about all of that. Get them all nice and cleaned up. And then I will show you guys how to build a straight pipe exhaust for a Mark III Toyota Supra. That's going to be exciting. Now, before I go shit myself, I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think about my new stainless exhaust pieces here. If you're excited about me finally having a full straight pipe on the car. How cool it might sound. You know, anything, really. I'm usually pretty good at replying unless I'm at work, you know, and then I have to wait till break to get back to anybody. But leave a like, subscribe, and that's a burner, so I'm going to go. Peace out. Ooh. Ooh.